morning. 6:15. Haven't heard any gobbles yet. Let me try it. See if I can get one to go.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Silence. Whew. That happened so fast again. That's the way it always is, I guess. Wow. Yes. Turk number 2. Oh man. He didn't gobble on the limb at all. Look at the hooks on that dude. Holy smokes, dude. Oh, wow. Look at the hooks, man. Oh, my Lord. That's definitely the biggest Spurs I've ever killed right there, buddy. By far. Wow. An awesome, 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 awesome turkey. Oh my gosh. Wow. That was a lot of fun. I decided to go into a spot where I'd kill my first bird because that same morning, there was another turkey that was gobbling his head off. I knew he was there and I knew he was gobbling. I set a game camera down into the area. It was like a pipeline running through the property. And he'd been strutting. I see some strut marks, some tracks and on the fresh mud on the pipeline, and put a spy point camera over the pipeline and just kind of waited for him to settle down and come into the area. And I thought maybe he would take over the area where I killed the first turkey. Well, last night at 6 o'clock, the pictures come through, and a long beard and a couple hens walked down the pipeline around between 4:30 and 5:30. They're walking back and forth, so I knew they were roosted close. So I felt really good about my chances of success. Never heard a sound. Got real frustrated around 7:30, nothing. And then at 7:45, first gobble goes off. And he was probably 150 yards or so from where I was, but where I was positioned, I couldn't move. My best chance was that he was going to come to me, so I called a little bit just to let him know where I was or where a hen would be. 15 minutes later, he gobbles again. He's a little bit closer. He gobbles again. Gobbled 3 times total, maybe 4. He slipped in there and made a mistake this morning. But he is a gorgeous turkey. Biggest Spurs on a turkey I've ever killed. A little bit over 1.25 inches, about 1 5/8 inches. Nice long paintbrush beard, big head, heavy turkey. I gotta weigh him, see what he weighs. But man, it happened so fast. It's just dead silent. 7:45. He's fired up. I mean, by 8:15, he's on the ground. Second tag filled. Got 3 more to go. Hope the turkeys start getting fired up in other spots. We'll see. Who knows? But right now, it's just good to bask in the success. Been grinding. Been pushing really, really hard. With all that's going on in the world right now, there's not a whole lot else to do except be in the woods. And there is nothing better than when the woods wake up. It really is just an amazing thing for Mother Nature to come alive in the morning, and for it to go from just dead silent to just every creature in the woods, every bird singing, and then crack a gobble over all that sound is it's awesome. Some people don't understand it. They think it's crazy or think it's weird or whatever, but some of y'all do understand it. And there's nothing better.